Don't leave, only get up. Okay. And try to form a big circle. All together, men on this side and Mataji is this side. We want whatever is etiquette, you can be by yourself and here separately. So if you can stand up and just form a big circle as if you're going to dance. Please, please. Okay, I'll chant one mantra and by the time you have to be in a circle. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay. One circle, everybody is there within a mantra. Okay, all right. Now, first thing we're going to start, because we've been sitting down for a while, we have to move our body, and so we're just going to sing 3 verses from Hari Haraya Nama, okay? And then you can dance in circle, and then sit down in the same circle. Hari Haraya Nama Krishna Yadhavaya Namaha Yadhavaya Madhavaya Keshavaya Namaha Hari Haraya Nama Krishna Yadhavaya Namaha Yadhavaya Madhavaya Keshavaya Namaha Gopal Govinda Ram Shri Madhusudan Gopinath Madana Mohan Gopal Govinda Ram Madhusudan Giridhari Gopinath Madana Mohan Shri Chaitanya Shri Advaita Sridhar Hari Guru Vaishnav Bhagavata Gita Shri Chaitanya Bhagavata Gita Shri Chaitanya Nityananda Shri Advaita Sita Bhagavata Gita Hari Hari. You can sit down in that circle, please. If anyone would like to sit on a chair, please pull the chair into the circle. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Okay, so I think all the sessions have been reflective, All the sessions have been quite reflective even while attending the sessions, feels like. So now we are only going to take some time to gather our reflections and bring it to the forefront of our heart and distill it to 1 or 2 so that we don't have like 1,000 or 10,000 reflections that we need to deal with, and then we just kind of like, it's too much, I'm not going to do anything about it. So it happens. So therefore, the request that I would like to make is, initially it will be a personal reflection, and then you just share with your buddy next to you, okay? And originally my thought was to find somebody that you don't know and all that. I don't think we're going to go in the direction for this session. Whoever is next to you, awesome. Imagine you don't know them. Okay, so yeah, yes. Do you have your phones with you? Is it on airplane mode so that WhatsApp messages don't come in between? Or if you have a notepad with your pen and paper or something, that'll help. Because writing down triples our memory, according to scientific researches. So let us write down. Go back to your circle at the same spot. Yes. Spontaneously, whoever you want to turn to, let's do it. To make it easy, turn to your. But then it is right now. Prabhu, it's like, for us, for one person it's left, for the other person it's right. So, I thought, yes, I'm going to state the question again. Yeah. Everybody ready with your writing tool and something to write on? However you would like to do it. Yes. Either side, because right to you is left for her. So I'm not going to say right or left. Okay. Now, take a few deep breaths. Let's just bring our attention to our heart. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Devotees who are facing your back to the deities, gently move that way or this way so that you're not facing your back. No one's. And the question, first thing is to just reflect within yourself. We are not talking to our, buddies yet. So we heard 3 sessions till now. Yesterday evening, whoever was here, and then today morning, Maharaj's class, and just now we heard from Nityananda Pran Prabhu. So I know that there are multiple inspirations, but try to take one or at the most 2 inspirations. The thoughts that remain with you, whatever the speaker said and it just stuck to you, that thought is stuck. So take that thought and put it down on the paper, and we will have 2 minutes to do this. That's okay. Okay. Just meditate and write down. I hope you have written down something at least from one session. I hope we have all written down. 20 seconds more. Jai Radha Damodara, Radha Damodara Shri Radhe. Jaya Lalita Vishaka, Lalita Vishaka Shri Radhe. Okay. So now, if we have written down the thoughts that stayed with us in these 3 classes, the next thing that I would like to request is, now this is a tough job for some of us, but we have to still try. What is not tough anyway? So please take a deep breath, connect to your heart, and connect to your what you have written down, and write down the feeling that you have about that thought. The feelings are something like joy or cheerfulness, feeling inspired, but don't just write inspired in general, because we all use that term very commonly. So write something like, I don't want to put words in your mouth, but these are feeling words: anger, overwhelm, joy, sadness. All these are feeling words. Okay? Encouraged, hopeful, all these. So write down that feeling. Don't filter, just whatever comes, just write it down. Are we connected to our feelings? Yeah? Now you can turn to your right or left and share only with one person at this point. We'll just keep it simple. Share the inspiring message, the thought that you wrote down. And if you would like to share, you can share your desire. You can share your feeling. It'll take a few minutes. So I would like you to share with your partner whatever you wrote down till now, the thought, feeling, everything, if you're comfortable. I hope Hare Krishna. I hope your other person is speaking by this time. I hope there is interaction. You can speak. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. So the theme behind this presentation is not the flute music. So the theme behind this presentation was or is that we go through thinking, feeling, willing in order for us to act on something. So we just wrote down and shared the thinking and feeling part, right? And this is an ongoing process, because it's not like a one time we just feel and then next minute it may not be the same feeling tomorrow. It evolves. We evolve and our thoughts and feelings evolve. So for now, at this point, wherever we are at, based on the feelings that you got, would you be able to state a desire for your own practice of bhakti, in specifically connecting to Srimad Bhagavatam? Write a goal or a desire, because when we get some nice feeling, for example, we feel grateful or something, if we don't do something with it, then it kind of evaporates after a bit, or it at least goes through, peaks and valleys. But the feeling that we have, if we take it and reinvest it in our practices, then the feeling becomes stronger and it becomes a very purposeful feeling. Otherwise, we'll keep thinking, oh, on that day I felt inspired. Why is it not here today? We even ask questions, right? At the end of the yatra or retreat, how can I retain this? So the feeling that we get is a very powerful and empowering tool for us to reinvest in our connection with Srimad Bhagavatam. So whatever feelings you got, whether it is so-called positive, so-called negative, nothing is negative in feelings. So let's take that, write a prayer, or actually, write a prayer. I was going to go through steps, but then right now, let's just keep a goal, and related to your goal, write a prayer to Srimad Bhagavatam, addressing to Srimad Bhagavatam. So if you want to address your deities, you can write, but address Srimad Bhagavatam, because Srimad Bhagavatam is our deity for this retreat. So thrilled to write your prayer to Srimad Bhagavatam. Please state your goal, 1 or 2 goals only, and write a prayer. Turn it into a prayer, basically. Clarification. Write the goal separately, write the prayer separately. Because otherwise, our mind is very good at clouding everything. Our goal mainly related to Srimad Bhagavatam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All of us have written down our goal and prayer. So, Jai Jai Shri Shri Radha Damodar Lalita Vishaka Devi ki, Jai Shri Shri Gaur Nitai ki, Jai Srimad Bhagavatam ki. Okay, so we have written down our prayer and we have stated our goals. Ideally, the next thing to do is break down our goals into an action plan. However, before that crucial step, we are going to do something more important than our action plan. That is, we're going to offer our prayer to physically, we're going to offer, you don't have to read it aloud, but have the emotion physically. We're going to stand in front of Srimad Bhagavatam. We don't have too many flowers at this point, but there's no problem in practicing bhakti in the lack of physical resources. So what we are going to do is, which flowers do you all like? Do you have a choice? Prabhus, I have to ask. Ladies will tell. What flowers do you like? Jasmine, roses, champaka? Huh? Peonies, okay. Lotuses? Okay. So connect with your heart and collect all whatever flowers you feel is that you would like to offer. This is very powerful. Don't think it's imagination. It is actually an offering. Mananam. Yeah. So we are going to bring that. So if we can, we do have some petals. Awesome. Okay. So there's a, they're very limited flowers. So take one petal maybe each, but then collect, can you distribute this among just one limited supply, okay, ration. Okay. But we are going to collect more flowers in our heart. Please do. Champaka, Arna, Punnaga, all these from Bhagavatam. Parijata. Take a petal and collect all flowers in your heart. Everybody got a petal? So we can all rise and come closer to Srimad Bhagavatam altar. Pushpanjali yet. Just hold in your hands. If you want, hold your hands like you're receiving and you're offering. So hold your hands like that. Now you know your prayer, you know your goals. Everybody can come closer. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer. Yes. Come closer. Just surround yourself. We'll wait for everyone to come closer. Everyone come closer. So now close your eyes. Kindly allow your eyes to just rest. Close your eyes. Take deep breath. Bring your attention to the center of your heart where there is a temple, where you coexist and live with the deity of Srimad Bhagavatam and your worshipable deities. And the giver of Srimad Bhagavatam are Srila Prabhupada, and the bestower of blessings are spiritual masters. Bring everyone to the center of our heart. And I'm going to recite some prayers. We can just recite after me at this point. Some of you may know this, but still recite after me in softer voice. Sarva Shastrabdi Piyusha Sarva Vedaika Satphala Sarva Siddhanta Ratnadya Sarva Lokaika Drikprada Sarva Bhagavata Prana Srimad Bhagavata Prabho Kalidvanta Udita Aditya Sri Krishna Parivartita Paramananda Pataya Premavashi Aksharayate Paramananda Pataya Premavarshakshirayate. I forget the next line. Shri Krishnaya Namostume. Shri Krishnaya Namostute. Madeka Bandhu Matsangin Madguro Manmahadhana Mannishtaraka Madbhagya Madananda Namostute. Asadu Sadhu Tadayin Ati Nichochatakara Hanamuncha Kadachinmam Premna Hritkantayospura. Bring your prayers to the top of your heart. Bring it on your hands. Infuse your prayer into all the flowers. The fragrant flowers that you have collected will bear more fragrance with your prayers. Please infuse your prayer into the flowers that you have in your hand. And let's together recite Prabhupada Pranam Mantra. Namam Vishnupadaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamin Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisesha Shunyavadi Pashatya Deshatarine Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Esha Pushpanjali. Please shower your flowers and your prayers. Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada. Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada. Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada. Prabhupada, Jaya Jaya Prabhupada. Grantharaj Srimad Bhagavatam ki, Srila Prabhupada ki. Okay, so a humble request, kindly, we all have, anybody here doesn't have a Bhagavatam set? Okay, we all have a Bhagavatam set. So when you go home, take your Bhagavatam set and hug your Bhagavatam. At least the canto that you are reading right now or the first canto, please hug your Bhagavatam, because that's the way we know how to express affection at this point. Even though there are more different kinds of expressing affection, at this point, please hug your Bhagavatam. And I can say something else, but I'm not going to say. But anyway, so please hold very close to your heart and physically and mentally try to really show affection. He is a person, and Bhagavatam has a lot of personalities inside. Okay, because if we just touch one book, there is so many personalities to give us the benedictions that we want. What about a prayer that we wrote today? Right? Bhagavatam can award so much beyond our imagination, our words, our expressions. We all need to do is we just go and hug, cherish, look. If you have some flowers in the front lawn or backyard, offer something, and let's just fall in love and rise in our consciousness. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. An announcement, very important.
A quick announcement. So the schedule